Hey guys, so today we'll dive in sa mundo ng e-commerce tapos magdi-deep dive tayo sa Shopify. It's a must-have talaga kung mag-open ka ng venture at para ma-manage mo yung store mo. So let's get right into it. Now, ano nga ba to? Yung Shopify is an all-in-one solution na pwede mong gamitin para gumawa, i-manage at i-customize ang online store mo. From pagbebenta ng products to pagpaprocess ng payments, Shopify offers tons of tools for you to succeed sa digital space. Now, sino nga ba ang mga gumagamit nito? Number 1, small businesses. Yung Shopify Perfect para sa mga small businesses at startups na gusto mag-establish ng online presence. Whether nagbebenta ka ng handmade crafts or nagla-launch ng bagong clothing line. Merong mga tools dito para mag-succeed ka sa specific niche mo. Number 2, entrepreneurs. Kung meron kang amazing idea pero ayaw mo munang mag-invest sa physical store, Shopify ang best solution mo. Sobrang baba ng entry barrier at flexible pa yung payment plans. Kaya super accessible siya sa lahat ng entrepreneurs regardless sa category. Number 3, brick and mortar stores. Kahit meron ka ng brick and mortar store, pwedeng i-expand ng Shopify yung operations mo at ma-reach pa yung ibang customers online. With features like in-store pickup at omni-channel selling, mas madaling mai-integrate yung physical at digital stores mo. Number 4, existing online retailers. Kung meron ka ng online store, yung biggest benefit na makukuha mo sa Shopify ay yung mga features at customizations na swak sa business mo. Whether gusto mong i-optimize yung website mo or mag-try ng third-party apps, Shopify offers a wide array of tools para matulungan kang mag-succeed. As you can see, from small startups hanggang sa malalaking companies like Gymshark, ginagamit nila yung Shopify sa everyday operations nila. Now, with so many platforms out there, ito yung mga strong features ng Shopify compared sa kanila. Easy store setup. Sobrang dali mag-setup ng store sa Shopify. Meron silang customizable templates at marami ding drag and drop tools. So, makakagawa ka ng professional-looking website na di kailangan ng coding knowledge. Shopify Payment Processing. So guys, yung Shopify meron ding integrated payment processors na sobrang safe gamitin, both para sa'yo at sa customers mo. From credit cards to digital wallets, iba-ibang payment methods ang pwedeng gamitin conforme sa needs ng customers mo. Robust inventory management. Madali mo rin matatrack yung inventory and products mo gamit ang Shopify management tools. From product variants to stock levels hanggang reorder points. Para lagi kang may idea kung anong in-stock at kung alin yung kailangan ng mag-restock. Marketing and SEO tools. Built-in na rin yung SEO platform sa Shopify. So, pwede mong i-track yung activity ng website mo. Dahil dun, mas ma-optimize mo yung sales para mas matarget mo yung perfect customer. From email marketing to social media management, Shopify has you covered. Isa pang useful feature kapag nag-i-start ka ng Shopify store is yung integration nito with third-party apps para mapadali yung online operations mo. From marketing, inventory management, hanggang customer service. May app para sa lahat ng kailangan mo sa pag-run ng business. Parang App Store sa iPhone, madali kang makapag-customize ng apps na gagamitin mo. Kaya habang lumalaki yung business mo from idea to venture, ang scalability at efficiency best buds na. With Shopify serving as an A to Z business solution, isang aspect na di napapansin madalas is yung vibrant community ng mga users nito. Hindi lang siya basta platform para magbenta ng products online. Shopify actually fosters collaboration between users, and this can be super valuable para sa mga business owners worldwide. From online forums hanggang in-person meetups, maraming ways na nagko-connect yung mga tao on different levels. Sobrang helpful to kasi minsan, running a business can feel overwhelming. Pero with a supportive community, mas gagaan yung journey mo. Now, kung gusto mong mag-start, it's just a couple of clicks away. Gamitin mo lang yung affiliate link sa baba para yung first month mo, $1 na lang. Ilagay mo lang yung email mo, tapos click start free trial. Automatic mabubuo na yung store mo. Pag nagawa na yun, meron ka ng access sa lahat ng features na na-mention natin. And boom, ready to go ka na. By the way, for every referral link, meron kaming small fee, pero at no extra cost to you. It's just there para masuportahan yung channel namin at mapagpatuloy namin ang pag-create ng content na katulad nito. So if you use our link, thank you so much in advance. And remember guys, ganito lang yung high-level overview ng Shopify platform. Maglalabas pa kami ng ibang videos on different topics like apps, mga plans, at mga case scenarios. So stay tuned for that. Kung nakatulong tong video na to, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Dito sa channel, magre-release pa kami ng madaming videos about e-commerce. Kaya don't forget to ring that bell para lagi kang updated. Thanks for watching!